guys, today I'm gonna continue doing the renovating on my camper. So this is the second part now. So I just finished the flooring yesterday, as you can see. And this morning I did the extension bed for this storage. Okay, this is the storage here in here. Okay, it's I need to clean this one after. Okay, so now, okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to set up this one now. So if you wanna good for one person or two person, you can remove this one and put it there, or you can, yeah. Sure. Put this one in the middle first, then take it off. This supposed to put upside down. Need to hang it. That one in there. This one fit in here. Okay. So you have a bed. Okay. So supposed to put some. Okay. That one there. And this one, even for 3 person. Add this one. Okay. Like that. See? 1, 2, 3. That's for 3 person. Just put some mattress. Oh, not mattresses. Maybe foam or airbed in here. And I can easily lay down like this. I'm 5'7.5", almost 5'8". Still getting easily. So my head, you still have like maybe 2 inches in here. Get it? So yeah, just like that. Do you know what is this? This is a rail for curtain on this portable toilet in here. I'm gonna install now here on ceiling. Position is gonna be like this. Okay, and you're gonna order cover. Okay. All right. I will use this small screw. All right. First one. I need to measure 25.5. So that's it. Steady, 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 steady. All right. Next. Install again. Okay. Hold it, hold it. Wait. Again, init. Steady. Okay. Here. 25. Can we put it like that? And then it will be straight like this. Okay. Hold it. Hold it. Begitu aja, tak apa lagi na no. Sa kabila siya. Mukha niya. Okay guys, now we're gonna install this tissue holder to here, like this high. Okay, so the tissue will be like this in here. We cannot install like this in here if it's too low, or in here it's not enough space at the back. So the best spot in here, at this height. Okay, so we just did this one. We installed already the metal thing, I mean the aluminum thing, and we need to install this like this and screw it in the wall like this. Okay, so now I need to install the small screw using the impact rod. Okay, it's not magnetic. I hate this thing. So looks like might gonna need this one like this, but I don't know, makes this one much better. Change the plan using the other screw, using this chuck and small screw. Okay, so I screw in here. Okay, one down, then get another one. Get the other one. Okay, and then we need to install this one in here. Again, we need this other chuck. Like this one. It's not magnetic thing. Should be like this high. I guess. Make sure it's even. Alright. The other one. Make it even. Okay. And I might gonna need